Hey guys, it is the 8th of December. And what should we take? This one? It is just a little crappy one, made in China. 3 stars brand. Don't need those. But I do need my small picks. There you go. Okay, a little easier than expected. But that's how that is. Just fun. Let's see if we can do it with a weirdly shaped S-rig. I just need to get a grip on this. No. Nah, doesn't matter. Just had a bunch of these small locks, so I wanted to put one in here as well. Might be one more later, but yeah. Let's get this on the tree. That's 2 quick videos in a row. This one is probably the quickest so far. Ta-da! 8 locks. Alright. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you again tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.